Hello, this is Gareth Keane again. Just continuing on from the last video where we outputted the square of the first 10 numbers. What if we wanted to come and add the next 10 numbers from 11 to 20? In this case, what I can do is take the code down like this, so I'll leave the first set intact, and I'll call this output squares, and I just controlled and copied that and pasted that down, and we'll call this subroutine output squares 11 to 20. And I'll run the loop from 11 to 20. Now the heading is already there, so I can just comment it out so it won't execute that line again. And I change this from output. If I ran this, it would just overwrite the last one. But what I can do is get it, I can show you that actually. If I do this, and I run this one, put the subroutine in it, I come here and I look at it, and it just overwrote the last one. So I lost the first 10 numbers. So what I'll do is I'll come back in here, I'll come back up to our first subroutine, output squares, and I do F5, then I come out and look at it, and we have the first 10 as we had originally. Close it down, come back to the code, then I'll come down here, and if you look at this, I'll change this to append. Okay, and we're going to go from 11 to 20. So this time when I run this, I just pressed F5 in there, I come in here, and you can see it added the numbers onto the end. So it appended them onto the end of the file rather than overwriting what was already there. Okay, thanks for listening.